भाजपाची दक्षिण गोंय उमेदवार पल्लवी धेंपो आणि दक्षिण गोंय उपजिल्लो हॉस्पिटलाचेर सोशल मिडियाचेर घातिल्ल्या पोस्टाचेर काँग्रेस फुडारी मिशेल रिबेलोन तिडक उक्तायल्या। परिस्थिती जाणून घेनासतना पल्लवीन सोशल मिडियाचेर पोस्ट करून लोकांच्या घाव्याचेर मीठ चोळचें न्हय अशें आव्हानूय मिशेल रिबेलोन केलां। आपल्या वांगडा दक्षिण गोंय उपजिल्लो हॉस्पिटलांत येवन लोकांक जावपी त्रास आनी भलायकेच्या सुविधांची पळोवणी करची अशें मिशेल रिबेलोचें म्हणणें।
A social media post posted by Mrs. Pallavi Dhempo, the BJP Lok Sabha candidate, states that the South Goa District Hospital is fully equipped. Now I challenge her to come along with me and see the nightmares that are faced by the patients and their families. She should have a ground reality before she lets the BJP trolls post on her handle. Now the South Goa District Hospital has become a referral hospital. Almost 15,000 patients. They are referred to private hospitals and the GMC. Where is a full-fledged ICU unit? Where is the neurosurgery unit? Where is the cath lab, which was promised by the government since the past 3 budgets? Forget about health facilities. What about the vacancies which were promised by the government for doctors, nurses and other staff? I wish she could prove all this with facts. Posting this post, she's hurting the sentiments and rubbing salt on those patients and their families. Now, South Goa District Hospital has been a visionary project for the Congress government. And by 2012, almost 70% was already completed. But the BJP government took 8 years to complete it. And the defector MLA, Mr. Digambar Kamath, can substantiate my claim. Actually, I sympathize with Mrs. Pallavi Dhempo because she is literally put in a trap by this BJP troll. We need a grassroots worker. We don't need a voice of Modi in the parliament.